Seeking ways to infuse your home with style that stands the test of time? Explore our curated list of 11 timeless interior design ideas guaranteed to leave a lasting impression on anyone who walks through your door. So, are you ready to transform your space and make a statement with your interior design choices? Let's dive in together and create spaces that truly reflect your unique personality and taste. Our first timeless trend is vertical planks. If you're wondering whether vertical planks are just a passing trend, think again. These classic features have been gracing homes for generations, from century-old cottages to modern-day kitchens. The versatility of vertical planks knows no bounds. Whether as wainscoting in vintage sitcoms or as backsplashes in contemporary kitchens, their timeless appeal endures. And let's not forget about board and batten. It's been around for ages and isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Contrast trim may seem like a fleeting trend, but take a closer look at older designs and you'll realize its timeless essence. With roots dating back hundreds of years, contrast trim, including wood trim, adds depth and character to any space. Whether it's painting trim a darker color than the walls or embracing the natural beauty of wood trim, when executed properly, this design element never goes out of style. Subway tile has stood the test of time, gracing residential and commercial spaces alike with its timeless allure. While we've recently witnessed a surge in popularity for different tile styles, subway tile remains a steadfast favorite. Its clean lines and versatility ensure it will continue to make appearances in both traditional and contemporary spaces for years to come. Marble enthusiasts, rejoice. This luxurious material isn't going anywhere. With its myriad of styles and textures, marble always feels fresh and current. While it may be enjoying a moment in the spotlight, its timeless appeal ensures it will remain a staple in interior design for generations to come. White walls and neutral colors are the building blocks of any well-designed space. They provide a canvas for creativity, effortlessly bridging opposing colors and balancing vibrant designs. While colors and patterns may come and go, white and neutral hues remain a constant in interior design, serving as the backbone of timeless elegance. White kitchens may have had their moment in the spotlight, but their timeless appeal persists. With endless opportunities for customization, from tile choices to cabinet styles, no two white kitchens are alike. Despite evolving design trends, the enduring popularity of white kitchens speaks to their enduring charm and versatility. When it comes to tile patterns, simplicity reigns supreme. While elaborate designs may come and go, simpler patterns stand the test of time. Whether it's classic checks, stripes, or subtle arrangements of solid-colored tiles, timeless elegance is found in understated sophistication. Investing in classic furniture pieces is a surefire way to infuse your space with timeless elegance. Iconic designs like the Eames lounge chair and the Chesterfield couch have proven their endurance over the years. These pieces effortlessly complement various design styles and have the potential to become cherished heirlooms for generations to come. Subtle patterns, such as checks, stripes, and smaller-scale designs, add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Whether incorporated into wallpapers, fabrics, or decorative items, these understated patterns evoke a sense of classic elegance that transcends fleeting trends. Minimalism isn't just a passing trend, it's a timeless philosophy that creates harmony and balance in any space. By prioritizing clean lines, simplicity, and functionality, minimalism allows the inherent beauty of each element to shine through. With its focus on quality over quantity, minimalistic design creates a serene atmosphere that stands the test of time. Natural materials like wood, stone, and plants have long inspired home decorating. Incorporating these elements into your space adds warmth and character, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether through furniture, textiles, or decor accents, natural materials are key to achieving a timeless and completed look in any home. Remember, balance is key. A thoughtful blend of materials ensures a harmonious and enduring design. Thank you for joining us on this journey through timeless interior design ideas. Now it's your turn to take action. Start implementing these ideas into your home today, and watch as your space transforms into a haven of style and sophistication. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. And remember, the possibilities for creating a beautiful home are endless. Until next time, happy decorating.